Hi. Oh boy. You Aaron? Who are you? Your what? Legs? Okay, is Alexis home? Trust that it's got the TV at the back of the house already. Hey, police! Come to the door now! Julie, do you have a physical description of our suspect from earlier? Can you give it to me? I'm pretty sure it's him. And they're now no longer answering the door. Yeah, he's definitely here. Police! Come to the door now! If I have to come in after you, I can't guarantee your safety. Come to the door now! Aaron, I know it's you. Come to the door now. If I have to come in after you, you're getting a resisting charge. Aaron, get out here. I don't know. He is for sure. He just answered the door and then shut the door. Aaron, don't make it any worse for yourself. Come to the door, Aaron.
Aaron? Aaron, step out to the door. We're gonna come in and get you.
Aaron, we know you're in there and we're not going away. There's a dog on its way. If it bites you, I can't be held accountable for that. Come to the door. You're wasting a lot of time and you're forcing my hand. As soon as the other cops get here, I don't get a lot of choice in whether or not I decide to take you to jail or if I just cut you loose again. As soon as my supervisor gets here, it gets taken out of my hands. Aaron, if you come out to me right now with your hands up and empty, I can guarantee your safety. If you don't, we might have to use the dog, or we might have to use other levels of force. Please come out so that we don't have to do that.
Hey.
Keep off the door. Yeah. Stop. If I can get a second to run down and verify yourself, that'll help a lot. But let me go check if there's inside. Now he's no longer in.
Please, we need you to step out with your hands up.
So I'll give them canine warnings. Tell them, like, hey, can't guarantee your safety unless you comply.
Being all fine with your own and looking through that window. Release the 1, 2, and they're running.
Okay. Do you, affirmative. Do you want 29 to run 40-95 while you hold your own, and I can take shield? Or you can take shield and I can take less?
Go take shit. You're gonna take this.
Poke around.
Those windows, 40 seconds, right?
That's for the PLU.
Police department, come out with your hands up and empty, and we can guarantee your safety. Comply with our command, and no harm will come to you.
Currently, you know we're making announcements at the door.
If you do not come out and comply with our commands, we cannot guarantee your safety. Occupants of Apartment 31, this is the Unified Police Department. Come out with your hands up and empty, and we can guarantee your safety. If you do not comply with our commands, we cannot guarantee your safety. Come out with your hands up and empty. Do it now.
You guys good to hold for a second while I
Yeah.
do a brief,
Yeah.
brief kilo?
Air Unified Police Department.
I don't know any other way to be.
Come out of the apartment with your hands up and empty. Do it now.
You want to know the layout? Yes, yeah. So layout, as you come in, as you come in and hook right, long hallway. You got closets, kitchen is immediately on the inside. Go all the way down, you have a bedroom straight down, and then you have one off straight to the left. You have a closet with a master bathroom. That's in the room at the end.
I'm gonna make it Alexis, if you are in there, make your presence known. If you and your child are in there, I need you to let me know for your safety. There is a dog here, and I don't want either of you to get hurt. You need to make your presence known if you're in there with him. Alexis, for the safety of you and your child, please let us know that you're in there and come out. You are not in trouble. Blonde, skinny guy.
Yeah.
Kind of like mohawkish.
Yeah, like I said, it's like a blonde comb over type. He's probably around 175 pounds.
You guys took the cats over, or you good?
I don't.
Earlier.
Oh, okay. Aaron,
Anyway.
this is the Unified Police.
Not that,
Let me get some announcements.
not that I saw.
I'm gonna come get some.
First read. Will you double check weapons history on this suspect?
Aaron! Unified Police Department! He will assert you with a canine. He will find you. He will bite
Should
you.
be Alex Wallace.
You need to make yourself known.
Common spelling first name Wallace is Whiskey Alpha, Lima India Sierra. And I believe his date of birth is in May of 94.
Aaron, he will find you. Aaron, he will find you and he will bite you.
He's definitely different hair now. That's him.
Aaron, it's not worth it. Save yourself the fight, man. Hi. We think you got in the attic. Can we check your crawl space real quick? We don't know if it connects over or not, so it should be in your back closet, the back room in the closet. I'm not worried about your dogs, even if they nip it and a little bit, that's fine. Right? Like, I'm not gonna do anything to your dogs. I just need you to go and take a look at that and see if it's been moved. Okay? Well,
Oh my god. What? Look at how many cops there is.
Oh shit, okay. Go to the car. Go to our car. Go to our car. Go to our car, baby. Go to our car. Go, go, go. Go to our car.
Man, it's 37 from 3. Can you come up here?
Don't let the cats out.
Okay.
You need another?
Yeah, one more.
Okay, come.
Just in case, for some reason, he tries to punch through.
That's what I'm saying.
Kevin's in
In the
there.
hallway.
He'll go in there with him. Huh?
Do you need any more, sir?
No, I think we're good. You'll just,
Stay and watch the stairwell.
yeah. Keep eyes on the stairwell.
Stay on that side. I think we got enough. Stay on that side in case you fall through over there.
We're good. 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 Stay. Stay. You guys all right? Here. Dogs out.